Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I am going to show you how to make these Christmas trees earrings. Yes, it is kind of early, but I like to make jewelries where I can give to my families or friends during the Thanksgiving get-together so they can wear this by Christmas. If you want to know how to make these earrings, keep watching. So also in these videos, I'm gonna show you how to make two different Christmas trees. Very easy, very quick. So let's get started. So I am going to show you the easiest way to make a simple earrings. All you have to do is stack these Margarita on top of each other from big to small, like that, and have bicones on top. And then the next thing you have to do is to get your round nose pliers, and all you have to do is bend it, just just regular bend it, and then just like that. And then you have your wire cutter, and then you just trim this piece, okay, and then just kind of fix it. So this is like a one way to make a quick. So you just kind of fix it, and then you just take your earring hook, and you're pretty much done. That is the first style, if you like. So this is a simple, complete Christmas tree earrings. So first I am going to cut this wire for 6.5 inches. So right there. And I have these tools that I just got, and I actually in love, and I wish I've got these sooner. So you can pretty much straighten these. I don't know, I just love it. And then you get your round nose pliers, and you just make your regular circle like that. Okay, and then you take your flat nose pliers, and you just make a spiral. So you just kind of guide your wire, make a spiral. Just gently, and don't push it too hard. Just go with the wire, and just okay. Once you're done with your spiral, you just kind of give yourself about 2 inches. So we'll stop there, and then you can take your the flat nose, and you just go back to the pull it, and just pull it slowly like that to make this tree. You can do it with your fingers, or use these tools, or whatever that you have with you. So just like that. So now it's like that. So don't do anything yet, and you can just leave it right there. So now you take your your pen, and you pretty much just again you stack these on top of each other. Okay, you just stack these flowers, Margarita beads on top of each other. So now you can take these, and you can just go insert to that, and then just push it, use your finger and push it, guide these beads slowly and go up. So once you bring all your beads, maybe it doesn't have to be all the way up, it can have a little bit gap there. So you take your I'm using, this is 3mm bicones in red. You can use it in whatever color you like. So now you can either use this tool, the round nose pliers that you have, or because I happen also found another great tools that I'm using. So you just insert this and then you pretty much hold it right there and just crimp it. This is like an awesome tool, and see how it makes perfect loops over there. So now right here you can trim it about that much, and then if you have, you can use this round nose pliers, or you can use the flat one, but this is a smaller one. So all you have to do is the same thing. Just want to hide the edge, the sharp edge there, so you just kind of make a little spiral on the bottom, and just to hide it, that's pretty much it. And then you just take your earring hooks, and then you just, you know, finish it. There you have it. If you have gold wire, you can certainly use gold wire. I just think it's a better touch by using this rose gold spiral to make Christmas tree, but you can use whatever colors you like. So these are 2 finished pieces, and I think they came out good. If you like this videos, feel free to share with your friends. Once again, thank you for watching.